The Army Software Factory and ACC are helping to train our future warfighters to leverage AI and autonomous systems at echelon, ensuring overmatch in theater. Our future warfighters must be trained in an environment that mirrors the complexity of the modern multi-domain battlefield. The Department of War has named autonomy as the North Star and strategic imperative for national security and economic sovereignty. We are simultaneously hardening the American nervous system and ensuring power projection capabilities as envisioned by Secretary Pete Hegseth, requiring a dense, secure, and resilient intelligent infrastructure for both civilian and defense purposes. This is not a mission, this is a reckoning. For too long, we've allowed our national focus to drift, exchanging the tangible work of building for the fleeting comfort of the digital screen. We look around and see the legacy of giants, the electric grids that powered our factories, the interstate highways that unified our commerce, the Apollo program that galvanized a generation. Great men and women are not born. They are forged by bold missions that unify. Today, we face a crisis of purpose, but in that crisis lies our greatest opportunity. Our generation's mission, our interstate highway, is intelligent infrastructure. We are launching the reconstruction of America, and these intelligent infrastructure economic zones will be the platforms that foster national unity across every region, reviving the skilled trades and delivering value where it matters most, within our communities. Our future leaders, Gen Z and Gen Alpha, are digital natives, but they are also innovators. They are ready to lead this renaissance, channeling their fluency in AI and autonomy to design and build communities that prioritize 21st century solutions and services. They are the pioneers we've been waiting for. The trades will be the critical leaders of this national revival. The greatest revolution won't happen in a server farm. It will happen in the community, where real things break and real people fix them. And here is where the transformation begins. AI is handing every plumber, every electrician, every mechanic, and every HVAC technician a force multiplier. It's an invisible master tradesman riding shotgun. It listens to a rattling compressor, watches a flickering waveform, or smells the faint ozone of a failing board, and instantly diagnoses the fault with superhuman accuracy, cross-referencing millions of past failures and obscure service bulletins no single human could ever hold in memory. This AI will guide their hands in real time, with the right technical steps, augmented overlays, and adaptive techniques tailored to the exact tools on their truck. It's a paradigm shift. It turns a good tradesperson into a near-perfect one, and a novice into a competent professional in months instead of decades. For the first time in history, the accumulated practical wisdom of every master who ever lived will empower the men and women who keep civilization running. They will repair the physical world faster, safer, and more reliably than ever before. That is where Austin Community College steps in. Under the leadership of Chancellor Dr. Russell Lowery-Hart, he has assembled an exceptional team, from Dr. Monique Reeves, Building the Future, Dr. Garrett Groves, Strategic Initiatives, and Larry Davis, bringing purpose to every student. ACC innovators like Troy, John, and Laura are training the leaders for the trillion-dollar infrastructure boom, starting right here in Central Texas. They are teaching the specialized, applied, hands-on AI training that blends traditional skilled trades, welding, electrical, HVAC, and advanced manufacturing, with the power of fit-to-purpose AI tools. Are you ready to step away from the screens and into the world? As the United States moves to reestablish manufacturing leadership, our productivity depends on our ability to deploy intelligent infrastructure beyond the factory. Let us build America's next golden age together, one that leads the world for the next century.